Hi, it's Tim Marvel. I hope you'll join me the first week in November for Mark Tewart's High Performance Leadership and Management Workshop in Dallas. If you're a dealer, a general manager, a new car manager, finance, service, or any other leadership role, this is the place to be. I will be talking about service, texting, and effective labor rate. 9 other experts will be talking about their field. If you're looking for the right time, it's now. If you're looking for the right place, hey, we're here. There's no better projects you can invest in when you invest in yourself. So join me and our other product experts in Dallas, November 3rd and 4th at the Fairmont Hotel in Dallas. So we'll see you there.